Hey, it's Josh again, J.R.Heller Real Estate. I wanted to go over with you why it's important to get pre-qualified, even if you're starting to first look at buying a home. The reason is that you cannot make an offer on a property without first getting pre-qualified or pre-approved. The reason for that is the seller or the listing agent is going to need a proof of funds letter from you that shows that you're capable of getting a mortgage or capable of buying the property. Most agents won't even show you a property until you are pre-qualified or pre-approved. It's very simple. It's very easy. It takes 10 to 15 minutes online to fill out our loan application. And then myself or one of my team members can reach out and see about getting you pre-approved and go over your different options with you. I encourage you, don't wait anymore. Get it done today.